Hey everybody, this is Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Thanks for watching. So I wanted to make a phone stand that I saw on Etsy. So I designed one myself. I glued some rosewood veneer onto some 1/8" plywood and designed my own and made it. I made two versions, one with all pieces having the veneer, and the first version was just plywood for the stands, and the main unit was the rosewood veneer. Let me know which one's your favorite. I'm trying to figure out and tweak the design so that I can post to my Etsy store. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.